Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our cooking curriculum. Okay, so today we have an activity that entrepreneuring and also cooking. We are from group 5 and group sandwich. But I want to explain to you about what is these ingredients. Okay, but before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Hanok. He is Eldrick. He is Alvin. She is Nabila, and she is Valerie from JS1. Okay, you can see that we have like a lot of materials to bring. Alright, we have first the chicken katsu or ground chicken, whatever you call it. We have the cucumber, timun. We have the salad, like the vegetable part, tomato, the leaves, and we also have the bread, the buns, what do you call it. And then we also have mayonnaise. So now we want to cut the vegetable first before we cook it. Yeah, so that's our progress, and this the ingredients to making a sandwich. Thank you and join us at Cherry Montessori School and Brighten High School. Thank you, everyone.
See you.
See you.
Good morning, everyone.
Eddington,
My name is Christina.
please come down, Eddington.
His name is Emmanuel,
Eddington.
Nelson, and William. We are from the team called
Albert.
Team Toppings,
Albert
and
P6.
today we have nasi goreng.
Albert P6.
Today, in our nasi goreng, we will be including a lot of corn, sausages, rice, and onions. We will do this because we wanted our nasi goreng to be inspired by Asian fried rice, and a lot of fried rice sellers don't really put that much like meat in their food. So I added as much nutrients as we could add in our nasi goreng, so people can get as much as they want in their food, like equal.
Sausages, rice, carrots, eggs, soy sauce, ketchup manis. I don't know what this is. Margarine.
And we have salted butter, onion too, and we also have a bit of garam. We also have lada, but we can't really show you because we don't know where we place it. Never mind. It's like exactly back here. That's our ingredient table. Do not mind the mess because we have been working really hard. So I think that's all for our fried rice. Coming from the team toppings, we hope that this fried rice can make people happy.
It's hard.
Yes. So again, from the toppings, you guys should come and taste our nasi goreng. Go to Cherry Montessori Brighten High School. Thank you.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Steven. This is my team.
Hello, my name is Ryan.
Hello, my name is Neymar.
Hi, my name is Ilona. My name is Valerie.
And we are ready to open this event. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
And my name is Stefania.
My name is Owen.
And today we're going to make fruit salad using a pear, grapes, an apple, and a banana too. And thank you for listening. Today we're gonna make juices. My name is Davina Amanda from Junior High School 2. This is Chloe, Grayson, Eldrian, Ekin, and Resto.
Thank you, everybody. Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Steven, and this is my group. Today we are going to make banana roll. And how the process works,
is the first thing we do is we grab the bananas and we peel them and we put them in these little containers. The next thing we do is we grab the banana wrapper and then we grab one banana and we start adding sugar and wrapping it with water. Just like this. And after it's done, this is the result of the roll. And the next thing is what we're gonna do. We place the banana roll inside of a frying pan. But before we add it, we must add oil and heat it up first. And then after that, just like what Ilona's doing, after it's turning golden brown, we just pick it up and place it in the strainer to remove all the excess oil. And then after that, we put the banana inside these little paper bags to sell. That's how we make the banana roll. Thank you all for listening. Yes.